Hello everyone, welcome back to the full Jasper Reports course. In today's video, I am so happy because we want to export Jasper Reports into an Excel file using Java. In the previous videos, we learned how to design Jasper Reports, connect reports with MySQL database, add parameters and filters, export reports into PDF, HTML, Word files, and so on. But in real world applications, many companies and organizations prefer Excel reports because they can easily edit, filter, search, and analyze data. So, in this tutorial, we are going to export our Jasper reports into an Excel file step by step. So, without wasting any time, let's start the practical implementation step by step. Okay, friends, we have already created Jasper Reports project. We want to use the same project. You can create a new project also, but whenever you want to create a new project, you have to add different jars files like MySQL connector jar, because whenever you want to connect Java application with MySQL database, this MySQL connector jar is needed. And here we have different Jasper Reports jars. You have to add these jars as well. Okay, but we want to skip that because we have already added these jars. We want to create a new package to convert Jasper Reports into an Excel file. Just right click on the source package. First we want to create package, for example Excel util. Inside that, we want to create a new class. Just select Java normal class. For example, we want to add name for that. Export Jasper reports to Excel. Okay, you can add any name, there is no problem. Then we want to finish that class. Okay, we have an empty class. There is no code here. We want to start coding. First, we want to export all the required classes and interfaces. Simple. For example, import java.sql. We have connection. Okay. Thereafter, import java.sql. Driver manager class. So after that, let's import java.scale exception. Thereafter, to manage parameters, we want to add hash map. Simple. Import java.util hash map. So thereafter, let's add all the required classes and interfaces of the Jasper reports. Simple. Import. We have net. Then we have a safe. After that, we have Jasper Reports package. Then we have engine. We want to add jar exception. Okay, we want to add this one. Thereafter, we want to copy the same statement, and here we want to add Jasper field manager. After that, we want to add Jasper print. Okay, as you can see, we added all the required classes and interfaces. There is no problem. We have JDBC classes, we have hash map, then we have Jasper reports, and here we have Excel exporter classes. Okay, thereafter, we want to create a main method here. Simple, public static void main string array. So, in the next step, let's establish connection between your application and MySQL database. And here, first, let's declare variables. Simple. For example, private static string. We have URL equals. First, we have JDBC driver. Then we have MySQL. After that, we have localhost. Then we have port number. Okay. Hereafter, we have database. We have Jasper Reports DB. Okay. Thereafter, we have username and password, simple, private, static. We want to declare this variable final, and here also final. Okay. For example, string, we have username equals root. Sorry. Then we have password, simple, private, static, final, string, for example, password. Sorry. Let's use capital, password equals empty. Okay. So everything is fine. That is good. We provided all the database credentials in a good manner. Thereafter, let's establish the connection between Java application and MySQL database. For that, we want to use try catch with resources. And here we want to catch SQL exception. And we want to catch jar exception as well. For example, exception. Let's write a simple message here. For example, system.out.println. For example, error. And here we want to get exception.get message information. Okay. So that is good. Let's establish the connection in simple way. First, we want to take connection. For example, link equals. We want to use driver manager class. Then we have get connection method. We want to use this overloaded version. And here we want to pass URL. Then we have username. After that, we have password. Okay. Okay, that is good. We established a connection between Java application and MySQL database. But we have employee list report that has parameters, employee name, and department. We want to represent parameters. As you can see here, we have hash map. First, let's declare hash map. Simple hash map. Key, for example, string type and value object. For example, params equals. Let's initialize that. We have hash map. Okay, thereafter we want to specify parameters. Simple. We have params.put method. We have param department. Then we want to provide value. And here we want to search employee based on the department. For example, HR. Then we have employee name. Simple. Params.put. We have param employee name, and here we want to specify null value because we want to filter employee based only the department name. We want to skip the employee name here, but you can pass employee name as well whenever you want to search specific employee. Okay friends, thereafter let's fill the reports with the data because data comes from the database. But before filling the reports with data, we want to define variables for the report source and for the output file. As you can see, we have a reports package. Inside that we have employee list.jasper. For that, we want to define variables. Simple, private, for example, static, string, report path. We have source, then we have reports package. After that, we have employee list.jasper. So thereafter, let's define the output file. We don't have any package for the output file. We want to create a new package. For example, new package. For example, Excel report. Okay, that is good. Let's define variables. Simple, private, static, string. For example, string output file equals. We have source package, then we have Excel report. Thereafter we want to add name for the file. You can add any name, there is no problem, but we want to add the same name, employee list.excel. Okay, that is good. As you can see, we defined the output file as well. Thereafter let's fill the reports with the data. We have Jasper print sorry, for example, print equals, then we have a class Jasper Field Manager. Let's copy that, and here we have different methods. We want to use that because that accepts Jasper reports, parameters, and database connection. Let's select that. Here we want to specify the report path. Then we have parameters. After that, we have database link. Okay. So thereafter, let's define Excel exporter because we want to export Jasper reports into an Excel file. We have jar Excel exporter class, for example, exporter equals new. Sorry, let's break that. So as you can see, we have exporter. Thereafter, let's specify input and output. As you can see, we have already output file. There is no problem. But we have already input. There is no problem because in this variable stores the complete results of the Jasper reports. Simple. We want to use exporter dot set. Sorry, we have export input. Okay. And here we want to initialize with new simple export input. And here we want to pass this print because in this print variable stores the complete results of the Jasper reports. Thereafter we have exporter dot set exporter output, and here we want to initialize with new. We have simple exporter stream output. Okay, and here we want to pass this path which is output file. Okay, let's copy that. Let's break that to see the full code. Okay friends, as you can see, we specified the input as well as the output. That's good. And you can add different configurations to the Excel file as well. In today's video, we want to skip that. In our next video session, we want to add different configurations as well. Let's export Jasper reports to an Excel file because we have already added input as well as the output. We want to use exporter dot, sorry, let's add correct name. We have export report method. Okay. Finally, let's add a simple message also, system, sorry, dot out dot println, for example, employee list report has been exported to Excel file successfully. Okay. Okay, everything is fine and everything is completed. Let's save the changes. We want to run the application to see the result. Okay friends, employee reports has been exported successfully. That's good. Let's see the result. We have Jasper reports project. Inside that we have source package. Then we have Excel reports. Let's open that. We have employee list.excel file. Let's open that. Okay friends, we successfully exported Jasper reports into an Excel file. In our next video session, we want to add different configurations to that file. So that was the complete tutorial how to export Jasper reports into an Excel files using Java. If this video helped you, then like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Java and JasperReports tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.